Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I've been gone for a minute, so I want to give you guys a nice update on my thoughts on this market. Where do I feel like we are? I want to answer the good question: are we still in alt season? Also, we have this thing called DeFi summer that people are thinking about might be coming up, and there's a couple indicators that are giving us some hints that hey, some things going on in DeFi might start waking up again, so that looks good. Also want to talk about a little bit of the FUD, fear and greed, and also look at these charts of Bitcoin, the total two, and all of that. Also, I want to show you one platform that I think is actually a pretty cool platform on Binance Smart Chain. It is the main one, but I want to show you something really cool about it on Cake Finance. So if you're excited about that, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and let's just get right into it. So first things first, I'm looking at the Bitcoin rainbow chart to let you know right off the back we are in the HODL area. We are in the HODL area, hitting the green where it is still cheap, hitting, hopefully we might bounce to the accumulation phase, but we are in the HODL area right now as of the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and you can see we are barely getting started. Now, me personally, why do I feel like we are barely getting started? Let's just start with that. So when I go to my total two chart here, we can see right here, this is the historical data right here. September 14th, this is where we had our peak of this bull run, and we came down, we had the bear market, and when we crossed this, we crossed it back here in May 16th, and that's where the bear market ended, that 2-year bear market, and the price went from here, once it crossed it, all the way up to here, right? Then that was February 2018, the end of that bull market. So you could say and argue that the bull market was just this area right here from December 2016 up until December 2017. That 1 year was just the bull market. Everything before that was the bear market. So looking right now, you can see this is where we had the top, we came down, we had our bear market, and we started pumping. That's it. That's it. That's it so far. That's all we've done so far. So if you look right here, that's kind of just this couple months before this bull market starts. Is this the final accumulation phase for this bull market? Well, it could be. If it's over, then it's over. But me, I personally feel like this is the final accumulation phase before all of this. That's kind of what it looks like on this chart right here. If we zoom in on this chart and we go to the weekly, this is the total two chart, which is all of the altcoins excluding Bitcoin. You can see I have this red box right here, which is our support. If we fall below that, we are looking really bad, but we are well above that right now. If I go into the daily of this, it is looking okay. We bounce off of there a couple times, and that looks great. Good to see. So looking at the chart of Bitcoin, we are ranging sideways in between this white line and this white line. Like I was saying, I was hoping that we were going to do that. Seems to be playing out, but I do think that this could be, you know, a downtrend forming right here. You know, we have some lower highs and some lower lows, so this might take us down to this support line. This white support line is my support line of the bull run so far, coming back from when we dipped. So long as we stay above this support line, then the bull run is still going. It's just going to be drawn out. It's just going to be longer. We see that every bull run, things tend to take longer to happen, and they tend to be less explosive. So this one will probably be less explosive. I don't think it'll be as explosive as the last one, but I don't think it's going to be as quick either. So that's pretty interesting to see. Let's look at some more indicators. We have the altcoin season index right here. Is it alt season? Yes. 90% alt season. Is it alt year? Yes. And is it alt month? No. But you can see right here we're still in the red, in the green alt season. If 75% of the top 50 altcoins perform better than Bitcoin in the last 90 days, and it is alt season. And those were Doge, Matic, Telcoin, Sol, BTT, AMP. You can see AMP was the only one on my low cap gem list that made it that far, but KSM, I am trying to accumulate some more KSM. Theta is right here, coming down. Is it alt month? No. If 50% of the if 75% of the top altcoins performed better than Bitcoin in the last 30 days, then it's alt month. And right now that is not happening. The altcoins are getting crushed. The Bitcoin dominance is going up as of right now, but it was dipping so hard it needed to cool off. Going to the fear and greed index, we are still in fear. People are seeing stuff like this article that says, hey, you know, they have to shut down mining operations in China and this is bad and blah blah blah. To me, this is actually good, because everybody complained that, you know, all of the mining was in China. So it was like, you know what, look, now it's not anymore. They don't even want the mining in China. It has to spread around the world. We see other countries embracing it, and that is great, and they're offering cheap electricity to do so, and people are going to go there. And also here in the US, we have people working on ways to use solar power and renewable energy and stuff like that to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which is great to see for sure. So the fact that China is kind of shutting some of this stuff down is actually good. They can let go of some of their stronghold if they want to. That's good in my opinion. So let's talk about this thing called DeFi Summer 2.0. Do I think it's going to happen? Could be. DeFi Summer 1 was fueled by incentives. Yield farming was basically was an incentive based thing. You know what I mean? People were incentivized to provide liquidity on these platforms, which actually gave people a lot of liquidity. So that's something that if we see that again, if that starts to pick up again, a lot of these platforms start to provide incentives for people to provide liquidity, then that can lead to another DeFi summer type of thing. And Curve is one of the big players in that, and Curve announced that they're going to be having some boost in their rewards. They have the Curve governance token, so we might see a surge. In DeFi usage in platforms like Yearn Finance, because Yearn Finance uses Curve to make a lot of their yield. And you can see on this platform there is, you know, 30%, 8%, 9%, 18% on a stable coin. You can make 18% on a stable coin. You can make 8% on a stable coin, 9% on your DAI. People are not aware of these type of programs out there, these type of protocols. I mean, so I encourage people to take a look at Yearn Finance, take a look at Curve, because, you know, you can do some pretty cool things in DeFi. If you're not into DeFi already, that's just something to definitely start to look at, because I do think maybe not a DeFi summer, but maybe a DeFi fall or a DeFi winter might be in the cards, depending on what the total to and what Bitcoin decide to do right now. Right now they're holding support, and this might just be the last accumulation phase before the final kabuya of, you know, this whole run. So we shall see about that. But after this long bear market, it's hard to think that this little inky binky mess right here is the end. You know, could come down and test, hey, could be the first retest after breaking above it. So we shall see. Maybe this wasn't even the bull market yet. Who knows? We still have a lot to find out. So find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about the video. Do you think that we are in alt season? The pools on Pancake Swap right here. So you have to download the MetaMask and connect it to the Pancake network, and you can actually deposit cake and earn other tokens. So if you know how to do that, then look, you can deposit cake and earn other tokens. You can earn MTRG, you can earn stable coins, you can earn VRT. Right now there's a token that I really like, which is LMT, and I'm depositing cake on here and earning the LMT token without having to actually pay for it. So, you know, one of the ways that you can get other altcoins is actually to earn them instead of actually paying for them, and that's a very good way to get other altcoins. So I will go in deeper on that. If any of you guys would like, put it in the comment box, let me know, and I'll do a full tutorial on Binance Chain and on layer 2s and stuff like that. If you are interested, just let me know. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.